Mga sangkay, tingnan po natin itong video ngayon na kumakalat. Isa pong Muslim na kung saan nakakilala daw po kay Jesus Christ sa pamamagitan po ng panaginip. Yan po ang ating alamin at mag-react po tayo sa video na to. Magandang oras po sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan, sa ating mga kapatid, sa mga kapwa ko born-again Christian, sa lahat ng Kristiyano, sa lahat ng solid sangkay. Bago tayo magsimula, pakisubscribe po muna yung ating YouTube channel. Ayan po sa baba ng video na to. Kung bago ka pa lang po sa ating channel, may makikita ka po dyan sa baba ng pinapanood mong video. Ito mismo, subscribe button, pindutin nyo lamang po yan, tapos i-click nyo yung bell at i-click nyo po yung all. At kung kayo ay nanonood sa Facebook, huwag nyo pong kailimutan na i-follow ang ating Facebook page. Eto nga guys, pag-usapan po natin itong malaking testimony. May powerful testimony ng isa pong dati po siyang ayun na naman, we respect naman mga sangkay our mga kapwa kababayan na iba po yung paniniwala, but ito po naman ang ating paniniwala mga sangkay. But hindi po tayo tulad ng iba na hindi tayo nagtutulog isa kung ano man ang kanilang paniniwala. We respect, no? Just to clarify. But this one is for all Christians lamang. Itong video na to, wala pong kinalaman dito ang iba mga sangkay, no? Kundi para lamang po ito sa mga Kristiyano na maging encouragement sa atin itong testimony na ito. So, sabi po dito mga sangkay, mag-react lamang po tayo. Entire Muslim family has a dream of Jesus at the exact same time. Ito daw po ang powerful testimony. Okay, panoorin po natin.
From Iran. Iran is an Islamic country at the moment and I grew up in a Muslim family.
Nabuhay po siya sa Muslim family at galing po sa Iran, mga sangkay.
In southwest of Iran.
Southeastern Iran.
So, like every other Muslims praying just 5 times a day and knowing that God's name is Allah. It came to the point that I was almost 17 years old and my journey with Jesus started from there. As a Muslim, you must pray in Arabic because Allah is Arab. That's what, he understands Arabic. Even we've been told when we get to heaven, even if you are Persian, we speak in Persian or Farsi, we're going to have a 6-month course and we learn Arabic and then talk to him. So I'm sorry, but we've been believing in what they've been hearing because of the spirit of fear. So behind the spirit of Islam is the spirit of fear. I was praying like other Muslims 5 times a day, and one day...
Grabe, no? Ganyan po sila ka-solid talaga.
I was bowing my head on the ground, putting my head on the ground and bowing my knees, saying Subhana Rabbil A'la wa bihamdih. This is the verse that we say in Arabic when our head is on the ground. A revelation came to my mind, and the question was, why God is asking me to talk to him in a language that I don't know. So if you are God, you must know that I am Persian. Love. That's love. Yeah, that's something to love really about. I asked him and I said, if you're God, you must know that I'm not Arab. Why you expect me to talk to you in another language, and you want me to repeat things every day, the same things, That revelation came to my mind and I said, so that's silly. I'm not going to pray anymore. But I said something to God. I said, God, if you are alive, show yourself to me.
Uy, ganda ng tanong mga sangkay. God, if you are alive, okay? Ipakita mo ang iyong sarili sa akin. Ganun po yung kanyang tanong. At alam niyo mga sangkay, ang ganitong klaseng encounter sa Panginoon, kadalasan po talaga, mga katulad po nila ang napipili ng Diyos na i-represent mismo yung kanyang sarili, mga sangkay, yung tipong nakikita po nila sa panaginip. Minsan nga, mga sangkay, talagang yung isa po na isang miyembro ng terror organization. Okay? Ang testimony po niya, mga sangkay, bago po siya naging isang mananampalataya kay Jesus Christ, na-encounter niya po doon sa rehas. Nasa loob po siya. ng piitan, na-encounter niya po talaga yung Panginoon doon. So yun po yung mga sangkay. Ganito po sila, ganito magpakilala ang ating Panginoong Jesus sa mga katulad po nila.
Every day, the same things, That revelation came to my mind and I said, so that's silly. I'm not going to pray anymore. But I said something to God. I said, God, if you are alive, show yourself to me.
Kung buhay ka, pakita mo yung sarili mo sa akin.
7 days after that, not praying to Allah anymore and waiting for God, a live God, to show Himself to me, I had a dream from Jesus Christ. But not only me, my mother, my sister, and myself in the same night.
Grabe. Medyo kinikilabutan ako mga sangkay sa testimony na to. So, siya po ang nag-pray. Lumuhod po siya. Gusto niya makilala ang tunay na Diyos. Gusto niya pong maramdaman yung totoong Diyos. That's why nag-pray po siya. Wala po siyang pinangalan na kahit na anong pangalan ng sinasabing Diyos. Sa ating mundo, marami pong pangalan na di ba? Na nasabi ni Bida na ito yung Diyos namin. Ito yung Diyos namin. Pero siya mga sangkay, siniparate niya ang kanyang sarili. In private, tinatanong niya kung sino ka mang totoong Diyos. Hinahanap niya yung totoong Diyos. No, at dito mga sangkay, pare-parehas pala sila ng natanggap na message sa pamamagitan po ng panaginip. Hindi lamang po siya, kundi yung pamilya po mismo niya. Nakakapagtaka mga sangkay, no? Lahat po sila.
We did have the same dream of Jesus Christ. So Jesus, with 2 white papers, He came to our dream. And He said to my mom, Mary, He said, I am Jesus Christ. Take these 2 white papers and pass them to Amin and Elham. Elham is my sister and we were behind my mom.
Grabe yun. Man. Kaya pala sobrang powerful ng testimony na ito. Talagang si Jesus Christ, sa pamamagitan ng panaginip, ipinakilala niya po ang sarili niya. Kaya yung mga hindi pa rin believer ni Jesus Christ, dyan, try nyo lang, kahit yung mga atheist, itry nyo lang magtanong. Kahit hindi kayo naniniwala na may Diyos. Sabihin nyo lang, Lord, kung sino ka mang Diyos ka, ipakilala mo ang sarili mo sa akin. Kagaya po ng sinabi niya. Talagang gusto niya malaman kung sino ang Diyos. Then, nagpakilala talaga sa pamamagitan ng panaginip.
My mom got them and passed them to us. When she turned back to Jesus, I woke up. And that time was 5 o'clock in the morning. So I said, what's wrong? Who is Jesus? As a Muslim, you think that Jesus is only a prophet.
Di ba? Alam mo, yung mga kapatid natin na iba yung pananampalataya, mga sangkay, ang paniniwala po talaga nila, si Jesus ay prophet. Yun po yung kanilang paniniwala. But, guys, ito po yung testimony. Testimony na siya mismo pinapatunayan niya na itong Jesus na akala niya ay prophet lang kasi yun po talaga yung turo sa kanila. Iba yung pakilala sa kanya nung napanaginipan niya. At tandaan nyo, hindi niya po inisip na si Jesus kasi nga for them, Jesus is only a prophet. Pero sa pamamagitan po nito mga sangkay, I hope na marami na po ang mas maliwanagan tungkol dito. Try to ask God, Lord, kung sino ka mang Diyos, ipakilala mo yung sarili mo sa akin. Baka sakali, gaya po ng nangyari sa kanila.
Prophet of love. Actually, that's what they tell us. And I said, what was those 2 white papers? And in the meantime, I was thinking about that. I heard my mom and my sister were crying in the other bedroom. I ran away to them and I said, what's wrong with you?
Umiiyak yung kanyang mga kapamilya sa kwarto.
Why you are crying this time of the day? And they said, we did have a dream from Jesus.
Grabe. Kakilabot mga sangkay. Nung tinanong niya, ano nangyayari sa inyo? Ba't tumiiyak kayo? Pinaliwanag nila na nagkaroon sila ng panaginip about kay Jesus. Okay.
I said, are you serious? And they said, yes. And I said, I had a dream about Jesus too. Please share it with me. So when they shared with me, I bowed my knees, I joined them crying.
Oh, My Lord and my God. What a powerful testimony. Guys, pakishare po ang video na to, no, habang nanonood kayo para naman po malaman din po ng iba ito at magkaroon din po tayo ng kalakasan sa ating pananampalataya, sa ating paglilingkod kay Jesus Christ.
I don't know for how long, but we cried and we said, God, what do you want to show us? Because we didn't have no information about Christianity. The Bible is not a free book to buy in the bookstores in Iran. So you can't find Bible.
Problema nila, wala silang mabibiling Biblia sa Iran. Nakaban pala yung Bible sa Iran? Grabe.
The story didn't finish here. God didn't leave us to this point. 5 hours after that, 10 o'clock in the morning, one of our friends knocked the door and he came inside and he put a Farsi Persian Bible on the table.
Wow. Wala po silang mahanap ng Bible, mga sangkay, which is doon makikita yung information about Jesus Christ. Then, kinaumagahan may kumatok po. Kaibigan niya. Nagbigay po ng Bible. At ito na po ang sumunod na nangyari.
And he said, I am sent by God to share this word with you. I want to tell you, Jesus is not only a prophet. Jesus Christ is the Word of God, whom became flesh. He came, He left heaven, He died on the cross for you and I. For those who come to believe in Him will be forgiven. My mom stopped him and he said, why you didn't share this before with us? Because we knew him for 5 years. And he said, I had to come today. And my mom said, we did have the same dream of Jesus Christ last night. And he said, what do you mean by we? He said, me, my daughter, and my son. I mean, we did have the same dream of Jesus. And you are telling us about Jesus. What's going on? And he said, are you serious? What was that dream? And then my mom shared the dream. He bowed his knees and he cried for half an hour. He was weeping. He said 5 o'clock in the morning you woke up of that dream. 5 a.m. I heard Jesus' voice in my room. And he said, son, get up. Take my word to Amin's house. They are ready to hear my word today. The God that you and we are serving is a live God. Even in the countries, clap for him. Worship him. Worship him. With clapping. Yes, he deserves it. So the God that we worship is coming to people's life, even in the countries that Christianity is forbidden.
Wow. What a powerful testimony. Mahaba ito mga sangkay, pero ito po yung pinaka-highlight ng testimony. Itong mga ganitong klaseng testimony, hindi po ito mababali ng kahit na anong klaseng paninira o kung anumang ibabato laban sa kanila. Kasi personal experience po ito nila. Personal encounter with Jesus. Hinanap niya po yung Diyos eh. Hinahanap niya po yung tunay na Diyos. Hindi po siya, nag-pray po siya. Siya lang mag-isa nag-pray. Hindi po siya nagbanggit ng kahit na anong pangalan na pwedeng sabihin Diyos. Basta sinabi lang niya na kung sino man ang tunay na Diyos, pakita mo ang sarili mo sa akin. Pero ang ginawa ni Jesus, hindi lamang po sa kanya, buong sambahayan niya. So I hope na i-share po natin ang video na to para po malaman ng marami sa ating mga kababayan. And this is isa po sa pinaka-powerful testimony na narinig ko. Ano po ang inyong komento? Just comment down below. And now guys, I invite you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Sangkay Revelation. Hanapin niyo po ito sa YouTube. Then click the subscribe, click the bell, and click all. Ako na po yung magpapaalam hanggang sa muli. This is me, Sangkay Janjan. Palagi niyo pong tatandaan that Jesus loves you. God bless everyone.